Hello, I welcome you all to your own channel MSK Learning. Now in this video we will solve one problem which is related to the vector integration, right? So in vector integration basically the problem will come that you have to find out the work done, right, by a given force or given vector, right? And either you have to, the problem will come from the irrotational flow, or you can say from the vortex flow, and so on. So one problem in which we have to find out the work done. So this problem we will solve with the help of the vector integration, right? So the problem on the screen, that find the work done by the F is nothing but a force, right? That vector F is 2x minus y minus z of I cap plus x plus y minus z of j cap plus 3x minus 2y minus 5z of k cap along a curve C in the xy plane given by x square plus y square is equal to 9 and z is equal to 0. It means you have a one vector F is given, right, whose work you have to find, work done you have to find along a curve of what? Along a curve of C. That xy plane equation is given x square plus y square is equal to 9, and on xy plane z is become 0, right? So whatever the curve is given, that curve is nothing but it is a circular. Why? Because the equation of circle is given, right? So this is one vector is given whose work you have to calculate. So how we do? Here we go, see. So we can say that solution given F is equal to, vector F is equal to 2x minus y minus z of I cap plus x plus y minus z of j cap plus 3x minus 2y minus 5z of k cap, right? So this is the vector F is given to you, right? Now we can find out one position vector. Why? Because we have to find out the work, right? So work is what? Work is nothing but force into displacement, right? So that force is given in this vector form, and in position vector we have to find. So let vector r, or you can say the position vector r, is equal to what? You have a xi plus yj plus zk. Is it or not? Right? So these are the vector, right? So similarly you can find out the dr, right? So this is what? Dr is equal to that, this is what you can say dxi plus dyj plus dzk, right? We got the vector, is it? Now so in the plane of z, so we in the plane of xy, z plane is 0, right? So in the plane xy, z is equal to 0. It means what? It means dz is equal to 0. All right. So now we need to find out the f into dot product of f dr you have to find, right? So you can say f into dr is equal to what? Simply you can see it here. That is, we have to do the dot product f into dr. So f is what? I coefficient is what? I coefficient 2x minus y minus z. So I dot I is what? 1. So this you can say here, it is what? Z plane is 0. So it is 2x minus y into dx. Is it or not? Right. Then we have a z. Z coefficient, sorry, j coefficient is what? X plus y minus z. In position vector j coefficient is what? Dy, right? So j dot j is what? 1. So this is what? X plus y. Z is 0. So x plus y into dy. So again you can write plus x plus y into dy. All right, right. So z is what? Z plane is 0. So we don't use. Why? Because if you use dz will be 0. So this term will be 0. So this is how you dot the f dot dr. Right? So work done means what? You have to integrate this equation from 0 to theta, right? So theta is what? That as it is the curve you see, the equation of the curve is given x square plus y square is equal to 9. It means it is the equation of the circle, right? So the angle is of a circle is what? From 0 to 360 means 0 to 2 pi. So whatever the equation we got, that is f into dr, we have to integrate this equation from 0 to 2 pi, we'll get the answer, right? Now but there is some contradiction. Let's see that. So here you can say work done is equal to what? Integration of vector f into dr. Is it or not? Where C is what? C is a circle, right? Of where C is a circle, right? That is, curve is given. On a curve you have to find out the work done. So this curve is nothing but the circular. Its equation is what? That is x square plus y square is equal to 9, right? Okay. Then if you look at that, this equation we have to take x and y value such that it become 9. So what I'll do, that I'll take that x is equal to 3 cos theta, right, and y is equal to 3 sin theta. Just hold on for a sec. That x square is equal to what? You can say 3 square, that is 9 cos square theta. Y square is equal to what? 9 sin square theta. 9 get common, so sin square plus cos square theta is equal to what? 1. That is x square plus y square is equal to 9. Is it or not? So that's why we have taken this one. So as you have taken x is equal to 3 cos theta, so dx is equal to what? Dx is equal to minus 3 sin theta. Is it? 3 sin theta into d theta, right? And y is equal to 3 sin theta. So dy is equal to 3 cos theta into d theta. Any problem? I don't think so. Okay, no. Right now, and the theta is varying from where to where? Theta varies from 0 to pi. So theta varies from 0 to 2 pi. All right. Okay. Then whatever the work done you have to calculate. Work done equation is what? F into dr. Circle equation, means circle is varying from 0 to 2 pi, right? So this you have to integrate 0 to 2 pi. F into dr is what? 2x minus y into dx plus x plus y into dy. X is equal to, you will take 3 cos theta, y is equal to, you will take 3 sin theta, dx is equal to minus 3 sin theta d theta, dy is equal to 3 cos theta d theta. Simplify, get that answer, right? Now, so here we go, that work done is equal to what? Is equal to circle of vector f into dr, that is equal to c, right? And f is equal to what? 2x minus y into dx plus x plus y into dy, right, into dr. F dr is that only, right now. Okay. Now, so then you can simplify this equation very gentle way. So you can get that integration from 0 to 2 pi, right? 2 is 2 only, right? So this is what you can say, 2x, x is equal to what? 3 cos theta. So this we can say 6 cos theta, y is what? 3 sin theta. So minus 3 sin theta, right? Is it or not? Right. Okay. Into dx. Dx is equal to what? Minus 3 sin theta d theta. Minus 3 sin theta into d theta. Right? Okay. Then that is over. Plus. Again x. X is equal to what? 3 cos theta. Y is equal to what? Plus 3 sin theta. Right? And dy is equal to what? Dy is equal to 3 cos theta d theta. So you can write 3 cos theta into d theta. Alright, then you can simplify this further. Go here, that is integration from 0 to 2 pi, right? Simplify. So this is what 6 3 is 18. Alright, so we can say minus 18 cos theta sin theta, right? And minus minus plus 9 sin square theta, right? Is it on it? See, d theta we can get common later on, right? Plus 9 sin square theta. Anything else? No? Okay. Then again come to here, that is 3 cos theta into this is also 3 cos theta d theta. So plus 9 cos square theta, right? And this is 3 is a plus 9 sin theta into cos theta, right? whole bracket of d theta. Is it or not? Right. So do one thing, just pause the video and copy this. We'll do the next. Okay, now next. So here we go again. That just hold on. Yes. So if I show you that, this means what? This will be simplification you can do. Minus 18 cos theta sin theta and plus 9 sin theta cos theta is what? Minus 9 cos theta sin theta. 9 will get common. Sin square theta plus cos theta is 9, right? So it is what? It will be simply, you can write 9 minus 9 sin theta cos theta into d theta. Got it? Right. So directly we can write, that is, this is what? Sorry, integration from 0 to 2 pi, right? It is what? 9 minus 9 cos theta into sin theta into what? D theta, right? There is some simplification further you need to do. That let's do one thing, that multiply with 2 and divide with 2. So this equation will become, that is half integration from 0 to 2 pi. When I multiply and divide with 2, so this equation will become 18 minus 18 cos theta into sin theta, right? Into d theta. Any problem? No. Right? Again if I say this, if I multiply this 9 into 2, right? So this equation will become 2 sin theta into cos theta, right? And 9 we have multiplied right now. So it is what? That is 9 into 2 cos theta into sin theta. 2 sin theta cos theta is what? Sin 2 theta. So further you can write half integration from 0 to 2 pi, right? 18 is as it is minus 9. This 18 we are splitting, right? That is 9 into 2 cos theta sin theta, and 2 sin theta cos theta we are writing sin 2 theta. Is it or not? So this value is nothing but a 9 sin 2 theta into d theta. Any problem? No. Very good. Now, so further you can say this is what? That this is half, right? Integration of, it is what? 18 d theta, that you can individually, you can say 0 to 2 pi, right? 18 minus 9 sin 2 theta into d theta, right? So 18 d theta is what? 18 theta. So it is half, sorry, right? Half, it is what? 18 theta, right? Minus 9 sin 2 theta integration is what? Cos 2 theta by 2. So minus minus plus 9 by 2 cos 2 theta, right? And the limit is what? 0 to 2 pi only. Or okay, so this is what? Half 18 into 2, that is, we can say 36 pi, right? Or not? Plus 9 by 2 into 2 pi, that is cos 4 pi. So cos 4 pi, right? We have to put 0, right? Minus 18 into 0, right? That is 18 into 0 plus 9 by 2 cos 0, right? Sorry, that is cos 2 pi na. So cos 2 pi, okay? So this is what you have. Here you can say 1 by 2 into 36 pi plus 9 by 2 cos 4 pi minus this is 0, right? So this is 0 right now. So this value will be 0 only, 0 minus 0, right? So it is what? Half 36 pi, right? And cos 4 pi is what? That is also cos 0 only. Is it or not? Right. So this is what you have, a 0, right? So this value is nothing but you have a how much? 18 pi, right? So work done by the force in that plane xy, x square plus y square is nothing but the 18 pi, right? So this is how you will solve the problem, right? So in your vector integration, this type of problem will come where you have to find out the work done, or you have to prove whether the fluid flow is irrotational or it is a vortex flow, and so on. So some more problem we will discuss in the upcoming video. Thank you.